Hello, class, and welcome to week 12. Hopefully, you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving and enjoyed yourself and traveled safely if you did any of that. This week, we have Article of Faith numbers 11 and 12 that we'll be focusing on. You'll notice that the study assignments, church and state, as well as disciple citizenship, very timely topics, especially here in the United States with the election and everything else that has gone on. Wanted to just briefly go over some things to remind you of your study assignments, the required readings, as well as the supplemental readings. There's some great insights there for both study assignment 1 and 2. Those insights and thoughts you will share on the Connections, Patterns, and Themes discussion board. Your first post is due tonight, with additional 3 posts coming later on throughout the week between Thursday and Saturday there. There is a summary paper due this week, and you're familiar with how those work. One thing that I did want to take a minute to focus on is the synthesis project that we see coming up here, the restored gospel and the world issue. As we go into this, you've had a couple of weeks to start putting this together and discussing with your group what you will be focusing on. You know that there must be at least 4 articles of faith in your presentation, 1 from each of the groupings, 1 through 4, 5 through 9, 10 through 13, and then another one that you choose. Make sure that you have made assignments, who's going to be doing what, and how that's all going to come together. It's really up to you how you want to do that. If you want everyone to contribute to everything and then refine what you're going to do, or if you're going to give assignments to certain individuals to work on certain things, I'm really fine with it as long as you are clear in your groups who's doing what and what the expectation is. Remember, no more than 20 slides. I really feel like this could probably be done in 10 to 20 slides. Probably no less than 10, but definitely no more than 20. This is a synthesis and not a summary, and you really ought to be focusing on the instructions that are given in this assignment summary. There's a couple things that I wanted to bring your attention to. Make sure that you have a message to the world slide. What do you want us to get from this? There should be a summary slide. The so what or the therefore what. Why is this message important? Or what should someone do now that they have heard your message? There also needs to be a final slide. This slide will include all those who worked on the presentation and what each did to help. So please make sure that assignments are clearly given and people are taking responsibility, and that is included in this slide. Who did what? This week, you'll have an opportunity to work through some of those things, and next week you'll refine the message and go forward as you submit this assignment. Don't overthink it or overstress it. You're going to do wonderful with this. This is just a summary synthesizing everything we've gone through thus far with your insights from this course. There is the regular end-of-week reporting that you will do, making sure that you create or include in your binder your favorite work from this week, and then the weekly report that you will turn in. I hope all of you, again, had a wonderful Thanksgiving and are looking forward to the Christmas season. We'll participate, hopefully, in the Christmas devotional on Sunday with First Presidency there. But also, I hope you're all taking the opportunity to be involved with the Light the World initiative. And I hope to join with you on a day of service on Thursday, December 1st, before we get some of our assignments due that night. Thank you very much, and hope you have a wonderful week.